Hi, it's Jane here from Stitches and Cream in Falmouth. We just wanted to come on here. We're stockists of lots of the Fibre Company's yarns. We really love all of their yarns, but for this month we wanted to just talk about the beautiful Arranmore Light, which is a lovely yarn. Up behind me here you can see we have lots of colours of it, and it is one of our more popular yarns. We love all the vibrant colours it comes in, the beautiful texture, that little bit of tweed. Love the silk in it and how that makes it feel as it sort of knits up. And we've got lots of customers that come in and buy this to make sweater quantities. We have got knitted up a sample in our shop, which we absolutely love. I will put it on, but it is roasting hot here in Falmouth today. But this is done in the Finian and the Braden colourways. It's a Kate Davis design pattern, and we just love it. Love the feel, love the texture. Light enough to wear on sort of autumn, spring days, but also warm enough to put over, layer and put over for those winter days. So yeah, really happy with this yarn and suggest you to give it a try.